Hey everybody, this is Spikes891. Subscribe if you haven't. Haven't combed my hair yet. It's in the morning. Yeah. Eating some life. You gotta try this freaking stuff. It's the stuff. Very good. Well, I'm at my friend's house. I haven't recorded a video in a long time, if you guys noticed. So I'm recording one right now. This life is really good. You gotta try it.
What's up?
What's your problem, dude?
Nothing.
I'm still recording.
Well, I'm eating life. See life.
Yeah, he's stupid.
He hasn't combed his hair yet.
Well, I don't know what to talk about. So, oh my gosh. So this is the end of my video.
Peace.